The body of a medical doctor was found on the grounds of the University of the West Indies Mona campus this morning. The police are investigating, but the discovery sent shockwaves across the campus. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson reports.
The early morning hustle and bustle on the UWI Mona campus screeched to a halt around 8 Monday due to a frightening discovery. A body clad in a blue top and khaki pants and in a state of decomposition had been found in a pond, just a stone's throw from the iconic chapel.
A student who was traversing the chapel gardens area reported to a security guard that he saw what resembled a body floating in a pond which is located in the chapel garden area.
Police converged on the scene to carry out their investigations. It was later discovered that the body was that of Judith Rose Spencer, a 69-year-old medical doctor from Great House Boulevard in Mona, St. Andrew.
As far as we're aware, and this is pending further reports from the Jamaica Constabulary and a member of the medical fraternity, those who are going to perform the post-mortem. We have been advised, and there's nothing to contradict that no foul play was cited. So we're not at this time investigating a murder.
As word of the death spread, questions of motive came up. The UWI Security Director Keith Gardner is seeking to assure staff and students on the campus.
It is unfortunate, and even more so because it happened on the campus, and it has really caused students and staff some concern, and rightfully so, because rumors abound, and I understand that at least one news media reported falsely that the body was found gagged and bound.
Investigations into the discovery are being led by the St. Andrew Central Police. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.